Understanding Network Security, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English learning channel. Today, we're going to explore an important and interesting topic, network security. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just curious, this video will help you understand what network security means in simple English. Let's dive in. Network security is a term we hear a lot, especially in the digital age. But what does it really mean? In simple terms, network security is like having guards and rules to protect information on computers and networks from unauthorized access, attacks, or misuse. It's like having a secure lock on your house door, but for digital information. In this digital era, we store a lot of sensitive information online, such as personal details, bank information, and private messages. Network security ensures this information stays safe. Without it, there's a risk of cyber attacks, which can lead to data theft, financial loss, or even identity theft. Think of network security as a shield protecting your digital treasures. Network security is not just one thing. It's a collection of tools and practices. Some common types are firewalls, like a door's gatekeeper, deciding who can enter or leave a network. Antivirus programs. These are like digital doctors, constantly checking for and removing harmful viruses. Encryption. This is like a secret code that only the sender and receiver can understand, keeping the information safe even if intercepted. Maintaining network security is not easy. There are constantly new threats, like viruses and hacking techniques, emerging. Moreover, as technology evolves, so do the methods to breach security. It's a continuous battle between security professionals and cyber criminals. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding the basics of network security. Remember, in our connected world, network security is crucial for protecting our digital information. Stay safe online, and see you in our next video.